tell me about your car.
It's a 1968 Chevelle.
Yeah.
It's a real SS. It's LS swap though. So
Nice.
all the suspension been done. It's all tubular. Between the brakes, it's Corvette Grand Sport and 2020 ZL1 Camaro rear brakes.
Wow.
Yeah,
It looks nice. It's a really well done build.
lowered a little bit. I think I want it down one more inch, but it drives. It's time to drive it.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't want to.
How long have you had it?
I've honestly only had it a month. So
You've had it a month. Did you do any of this work, or was it was all done?
All the suspension brakes I did.
All the suspension brakes.
So I drove it 3 times, and this is my first classic car. And
Oh.
it's not too confidence inspiring. Is it going to stop or is it not going to stop?
That's awesome.
Now she stops.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
But other than that, like every piece of suspension's brand new. It's got CPP spindles in the front that'll take a C7 Corvette bearing.
Yep.
So then it's Grand Sport front rotors, CTSV front calipers, Grand Sport rear rotors,
Oh,
ZL1
wow.
Camaro. I made the brackets to hold those calipers.
It's got some serious brakes.
Yeah. So it's a little Pro Touring-ish, little budget Pro Touring kind
Yeah.
of look.
Yeah. Oh, I love the color. What a nice car.
Look, it shows good. It's not perfect, but it looks good.
Oh, it
right?
looks great. Yeah. I'm gonna just go around,
Yeah, of
take
course.
some cool shots of your car. I've done this a lot. So tell me about your car.
It's a 65 Sport Fury Convertible, and I've been looking for one for about 30 years.
No kidding,
I
eh?
got it last year.
Wow. Wow, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Where did you find it?
Actually, an auction, Brian's Auctions down in Pushnitz.
Oh, how lucky for you. Wow. Wow. It's been restored, obviously.
No, not a hell. Yeah, no, a few things. But
Just a few things. not
Yeah.
much.
It's in really good shape, eh?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Well, thank you very much. Tell me about your car.
Well, I was fortunate enough to find this car because after I retired, I had a car identical to this here before I got married.
Oh, right on.
And I was building it for to race D-Gas at the time.
Yeah.
And I had everything completed past the transmission, the clutch, and everything. I can tell you what I had in the engine, but it
Yeah.
doesn't matter.
Yeah.
And then I met my good wife, and we took the car apart and sold it.
Ah,
So when I was reaching retirement, I thought I have to find a car to replace it.
and you found this one.
And this one here came from Tennessee.
Oh, right on.
And I caught it while it was being built.
Wow.
And so we worked through the build with them. The only difference is this is a big block, and my car was actually a stroked 283.
And I noticed it's a manual. Is it
Yeah,
a
it's
manual?
a 4-speed.
Four-speed
Yeah,
manual.
4-speed.
Wow.
And yeah, so
Yeah, this is a nice one.
yeah, it's been done. And I actually have a photo. This was the car I had between 69 and 72.
Oh, cool. Yeah, it's funny, you know, I have a 75, my 75 Corvette, but I had two 74s
Okay.
prior, and it's the same sort of thing. Like you had one and you want to get another one.
So this is my nostalgia car.
Yeah. Oh, it's really cool. I like the wheels. Wow,
Yeah,
those
well,
mags.
These on the front. These are American Racing.
Yeah.
And on the back it had aluminum disc wheels. Remember? How
Yeah. Oh, I do I ever.
Yeah.
I think. Oh yeah. This is really nice. It's lowered too, eh?
Yeah, it's just a stance. Yeah.
Yeah.
Got coilovers on the front. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. No,
Nice.
it's pretty good.
It's really nice. That's great. Wow. Fire extinguisher. That's
But
something.
they didn't make 454s. That's why we got it marked as a 396.
And that's.
I love.
thank you.
I
Thank
love
you.
them.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really nice.
And the firewood's all been smoothed out.
Thank you for telling me about your car.
Oh no, great, no problem. Thank you.
Yeah. So this is where the hippies hang out?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Volkswagen hippies. How are you doing? Enough said. When I was a kid, we had one just like this, and mind you, it was a four-door, but it was a great car.
Yeah, I remember the old man Sam 61.
I knew what that was. Well, your car's looking really nice. That is really cool. That is really cool.
It's so fun. It's my
I'll bet
favorite
you it
drive.
is. Thank you, sir. Yeah, you'll be in the video.
Oh, sweet.
Awesome.
Boost, you just hook on.
Right.
Is it diesel or?
No, it's a 3-cylinder at 660.
Okay.
Check it though.
Well, that sounds nice.
Oh, thanks.
like being able to see. That's usually a good thing. Hey, how are you? I want to thank all of the owners of the cars that took the time to talk to me. This was a fantastic show. I really enjoyed myself, and it was so nice talking to so many people that I recognized and made some new friends along the way. And I look forward to seeing you at the next car show. So until then, make sure you like and subscribe and check out one of the videos that's on the screen right now.